Great. Let's start with the first question. What animals are active at night? And animals that are active at night. What do you think, friends? Good. We will discuss one by one, starting with what comes to your mind when you hear about owls. Owls can fly at night and have big eyes. Exactly. Owls are indeed special because they are active at night. They have thick feathers, large wings, and sharp eyes. Owls are skilled nocturnal hunters. Next, we have an animal that is also very active at night. Namely, what do you know about bats? Bats can fly at night and use sonar to find their food. Absolutely correct. Bats have the unique ability to fly at night. They use sonar to locate prey. Bats are truly experts in navigating the darkness. Now, let's talk about an animal that might not be immediately thought of, namely, what makes foxes special. Foxes are active at night and have thick fur. Exactly. Foxes are often active at night and have thick fur that protects them from the cold. They are also clever in hunting in the dark. Well, who likes this cute animal? Namely, what makes koalas unique? Koalas sleep throughout the day and are active at night. Exactly right. Koalas often sleep during the day, but they are active at night. They enjoy eating eucalyptus leaves in the darkness. Koalas are truly special. Let's discuss an animal that might seem a bit rough but unique. Namely, what's interesting about hedgehogs? Hedgehogs are active at night and have spines to protect them. Absolutely correct. Hedgehogs are active at night and have spines that protect them from predators. They are intelligent and agile animals. Now, we'll talk about an animal that likes to sing at night, namely. What makes frogs special? Frogs like to sing at night and can jump high. Exactly right. Frogs often make sounds at night, creating unique natural music. Besides that, they can jump high to find food. Frogs are great night dancers. Finally, we will discuss an animal that might be around the house. Namely, what can you tell us about mice? Mice are active at night and are smart at finding food. Absolutely correct. Mice are often active at night searching for food around the house. They are smart and adaptive. Mice are clever animals.